ba, girls, are you the romantic type?
I think yes. Mahilig ako mag-surprise. Yun. And
Mahilig ka mag-surprise sa boyfriend?
anyone. Oh.
Yun yung form mo ng pagpapakilig.
Pagpapakilig sa lahat, kahit
Well, give
sa
me one
friends.
example. Like, what was the most elaborate way na pinakilig mo ang isang tao?
Mahilig ako mag-decorate ng room. Tapos puno yan ng photos, ng balloons, tapos ng food. Ganun siya.
Okay.
So, i-decorate ko siya.
So,
Parang simple na
pinapalayas
ganun.
mo muna siya. Meron ka, syempre kailangan meron ka
wala siya.
accomplice.
Oo. Family, ganun.
Okay. Nangyari na rin yan sa akin, pero mamaya ko na ikwento. Amiga muna.
Ako rin ganyan, parang pareho kay Ems. I had my phase na ganun ako. Ngayon, I don't think I'm like that anymore. Pero natutunan ko yan kay mama. My mom's still that way. Even at
Ma-surprise.
ma-surprise. Yung birthday ko this year, kahit diba wala siya dito, nasa America na siya and all, sinurprise niya pa rin ako kahit malayo siya. Pagdating ko sa bahay, wow, ang daming surprise. So,
Talaga?
Yes.
Nagpadala siya ng kung ano-ano?
Kina Joy and Alvin na ide-decorate yung bahay. Tapos bumili ng mga sugar-free ko, yung ganon. Sinurprise na talaga ako ng bongga. As in, for the first time, talagang surprise. Kasi always niya ginagawa. So, alam ko na gagawin niya.
Number one rule.
Never assume. Pero na-surprise ka kasi wala siya dito sa bansa.
Yes, correct. So,
Pero
talagang
nung
na-surprise
nandito
ako.
pa siya,
Lagi niya ginagawa. My entire life, lagi niya ginagawa.
wala nang element of surprise.
Wala. Tsaka siya mismo ang sa sarili niya.
Ipapahuli
Ibubuking niya yung sarili niya na, uy, may sinabi ba si ano? Ha? Hindi naman na. Sabi, ay, okay lang. Meron siya hinahanda. So, ganun ang mama ko. My mom was
Nahuli
very
siya.
romantic, very
That's nice.
Yeah.
How about you,
What about you,
Mama
Mama P?
Ako siguro yung am I romantic? I think in a sense.
Why?
Pero yung paraan ko, hindi usually yung paraan ng asawa ko eh. Kasi gusto niya, di ba maraming love language yan?
Oh, yes.
Minsan, language, ano ba yun? Spoken word. Time.
Service.
Acts of
Yun,
service.
ma-service kasi ko. Na parang feeling ko, okay lang na hindi ko siya serbisyohan. Basta, i-hug ko siya. I'm very affectionate dapat. Or I'm very pa-sweet sa language. Yun kasi siya. Ako, I'll cook for you. I will, diba? I will be thoughtful. I will buy you something na hindi mo ina-expect.
Sweet ka rin sa messages.
Actually, oo.
Sa
Yun yung
pagsulat.
napansin ko.
Don't go there. Baka maiyak ako.
Wag.
Tama na. Ayan na.
Kilig naman tayo eh. Pero eto na,
balik tayo dito.
Ganon. Last time nandito ka, nag-iyakan din tayo. Ano ba?
No.
bakit kasi ganun
Pinapakan mo ba? Ano ba?
Kapag naman umiyak ka, susunod na kaming dalawa. Ano ba yan? Pero saktong-sakto yan sa topic natin ngayon. So share kayo dahil nga ngayong August po ay Romance Awareness Month.
Yes.
Gusto pala is romance awareness.
Yes!
Okay.
At ang pag-uusapan natin ay ang paraan ng pangliligaw ng mga Pinoy noon at ngayon.
O syempre, ang mga contribute lang natin dito ay ating mga anecdotes.
Oo.
Pero kailangan natin ng eksperto para meron tayong historical perspective. Kaya tawagin po natin ang ating guest ngayong umaga, si Professor Nestor Castro. Isa po siyang anthropologist mula sa Universidad ng Pilipinas.
Kaya,
Prof?
Dito na po siya.
Welcome back.
Yay!
Magandang umaga.
Hi, Prof. Good morning.
Good morning.
Prof, bati ka muna sa mga kada natin.
Magandang umaga sa lahat ng nanonood ngayon.
Okay, Prof, ito na nga, nagchichikahan na kami dito tungkol sa kung paano namin pinapakilig ang aming mga significant others or kung paano kami napakilig ng aming mga boyfriend before, in the past. Pero ang tanong, para namang very natural sa mga Pinoy maging romantic, hindi po ba?
Yes, likas sa ating mga Pilipino yung pagiging romantiko. Sabi nung iba, dala yan ng tradisyong Latino kasi
Ganun din
na-influensyahan
sila.
tayo ng mga
Ganun din
Espanyol.
Totoo ba yan, amiga?
Yeah.
Totoo. Bakit nga ba yung mga ganung lahi ang medyo looked upon as romantic? Dahil ba to sa panahon? Mainit kasi. Ano ba to? Ano ba? Naglalagablab ang kanilang mga pagmamahalamin?
May nagsasabing gano'n, nakaka-impluensya ang kapaligiran kasi sa malamig na lugar, parang malamig din ang pakiramdam ng mga tao. May nagsasabi namang sa lengguwahe kasi ang lengguwahe natin ay napaka-elaborate. Mas makakapag-express tayo sa mga paraang emosyonal kesa sa mga paraang technical. Unlike yung mga Germanic societies naman na napaka-technical ng kanilang pananalita. Ano?
So, hindi sila romantic po.
Relatively.
Yeah, in their own way.
Kung magalit sila.
Huwag generalize.
Palagay, lahat naman ng tao sa mundo ay romantiko pero magkakaiba't ibang antas lamang.
Pero yung way ng panliligaw dito sa ating bansa, medyo malaki na yung difference. No, Pro?
Noon at ngayon.
Ng
Tama.
panliligaw noon at ngayon.
Baka nga yung mga kabataan ngayon hindi alam na yung kahulugan ng ligaw.
Oo nga.
Kasi
Oo
wala
nga.
na silang ganong konsepto.
Kumusta na ngayon? Oo, Prof.
Dapat
Nobody
mas
wants to
kayo.
wait anymore.
Parang ano
Diba?
na siya, getting to know na lang siya. Getting to know stage.
Parang-
Eh, di ba yun naman talagang purpose ng ligaw? Para kayo ay magkakilala pa.
Yes, pero-
At magkaalaman na kayo ba ay meant for each other, magkakasundo ba or hindi.
Baka mamapi ngayon, chinecheck na nila parang NBI clearance na sa social media. Let me see kung sino naging pass nito, kung anong personality niya, mga pinapost. Di ba parang feeling nila, kinala na nila yung tao. Bakit gano'n, Ems? Guilty ka dyan.
Kasi dati yung ligawan ay pagkikilanlan, hindi lang nung dalawang individual, kundi pati ng kanilang mga pamilya.
Tama.
Right.
Oo, parang tama ba yan sa anak ko,
Totoo
ganyan. Pero sa ngayon, wala nang, hindi na pinapakialman ng mga kabataan kung tanggap ng pamilya o hindi. O kaya, sila muna magkakasundo bago nila i-convince ngayon ang pamilya.
I-introduce,
Oo,
di ba?
baliktad.
Before hindi. Di ba mas mauna yung
Dadaan
pamilya?
muna sa magpapaalam muna.
Correct.
So, yung mga paraan dati, magharana, o naninilbihan pa yung iba, sisibak pa raw ng kahoy.
Magigib ng tubig.
O magigib ng tubig, ganyan. Eh, ngayon tatawanan na yan ng mga kabataan.
Ako ang pinakamatindi na yatang parang ganyang pagsiservisyo na ginawa ng asawa ko before when he was courting me was to buy, pinibilan niya ako ng prutas sa Binondo kasi paborito ko yung cherries at doon lang siya nakakabili ng marami-rami.
Asa na ngayon?
Wala na. Ayan,
Kinain
ako
na
na
siguro.
bumibili.
Siyempre mag-asawa na sila, no need for courting. Pero kailangan pa rin.
Ibang way na daw.
Dapat meron pa
Meron pa rin.
Meron pa rin
Okay.
naman, pero sa
Ibang
ibang
way na.
paraan na lang.
Yes.
Parang, okay, libre-libre na lang. Date night, gano'n.
Yeah.
So dati nga may gift giving, pero hindi lang nga doon sa individual, kundi pati, ito para sa mama mo.
Buong pamilya.
Ayaw nga,
ganun,
no? May ganun
pakibigay
factor.
din ito. Pero ngayon, yung kahit nga baka nag-50-50 na rin sila ng sharing sa gastos sa pag nagde-date sila. Parang hindi kailangan hindi kailangan yung lalaki yung lagi nang
Guys,
gumagastos.
nalugi kayo.
I know! Nalugi kami sa panahon.
Hindi naman.
Depende sa choices.
Mostly siya naman.
Ako ngayon, pinaka-elaborate na ligaw nga na nangyari sa akin. Ano ba nangyari nun? Bakit ba ako wala sa bahay namin? Parang nirenovate yung bedroom ko.
Wow!
Ang kakutsaba niya, yung best friend kong babae.
Wow.
Tapos,
Ibang klase naman pala yan.
Iba
Mama.
naman yung
itong
ganyan.
guy na to kasi, arkitekto.
Itago natin sa pangalan.
Ay, wow.
Architect. So, pagbalik ko dun sa, I think I got hospitalized eh. So, pagbalik ko, brand new bedroom!
Wow!
Di masaya?
Pero naging kayo.
Oo naman, pero hindi lang katuluyan.
So yung element of surprise ay parte yun ng panliligaw.
panliligaw.
Oo. Kasi yung harana, ganun din natutulog na nga magugulat
ganun ba?
na. magugulat na lang, ba't may naririnig akong kumakanta sa baba?
Kaya pala nasasabuyan ng mainit na tubig, natutulog na yung
Buti
mga...
kung tubig lang.
Pero sa mga probinsya ba, Prof, ginagawa pa rin to? Parang no?
Bihira na. Meron pa rin gumagawa kung mga makalumang mga pamilya, yung mga konserbatibong pamilya, meron pa rin yun. O kaya sasabihin ng magulang ay, gusto ko munang makilala, sino yan? Kikilatisin namin muna. Hindi pwede yung basta-basta magdidesisyon ka.
Pero Prof, sa tingin mo ba, bakit nagbabago po ito lahat? Is it like yung mga parents natin hindi na tinuturuan yung mga, yung mga parents nowadays, hindi ba nila tinuturuan yung mga bata, yung mga, especially yung mga father, di ba? Kasi usually it comes from yung tatay talaga magsasabi, ganito yung pagtatrato sa babae, yung mga ganyan, hindi na ba yun uso,
Palagi ko,
Prof?
maraming factors. Isa yung mga magulang din natin, parang kini-question din nila yung practice nung nakaraan. Parang tingin nila, sobra naman yon yung
Talaga?
lalo yung naninilbihan. Parang, bakit? Saka hindi na ganun kasi na yung lalaki nagtatrabaho, babae sa bahay. Nagbago na.
Nagbago na lahat,
nagbago na. So, isang factor yon. May pag-question na rin sila sa mga dating gawi. Pero isa malaki rin tama yung binanggit mo, hindi na naipapasa yung paano siya sa nakaraan.
Tradition.
Parang
Yung tradition.
pinapaubayan na kasi ngayon ng knowledge sa mga teachers. Hindi na yung magulang to children. Tapos pangatlo, syempre social media, barkada.
Factor din.
Napapanood ng mga kabataan, paano na yung paraan ngayon? Alam natin sa social media may iba't ibang klase ng relationships. So makikita nila yun, hindi pala kailangan laging meron akong karelasyon, meron ka-MU o iba pang klase ng...
Di ba ngayon, sliding into your DMs?
Paano
not
na kaya sa
exciting
susunod
anymore.
na henerasyon, di ba, Prof?
Is that also effective? Di ba nga, ang purpose is to get to know the person better. Pero if you're just sliding into people's DMs, you can slide into so many other people's DMs.
Totoo.
Para bang, di ba?
Siguro ang mas importante, alamin natin yung purpose. Ang panliligaw, tama ka, yung para magkakilanlan. So kung napakababaw yung pagkikilala ninyo sa isa't isa, merong mga risks na hindi rin kayo magtagal dahil ay hindi pa nagtama yung alam kong ugali niya, yung nakikita kong ugali niya sa social media, pero sa actual pala hindi ganon. So yun yung mga risks.
Siguro, ako dun, Mama, tinamaan ako,
Just sliding into DMs.
Oo, si Jonas ganun ginawa sa akin.
Pero nag-work.
Instagram. Pero nag-work.
Oo.
Pero kasi nagpaligaw pa rin ako.
Oo.
Tsaka, sabi ko nga, kapag
That
niligawan
was just his
ako,
way of introducing himself to you. Oo. Pero pagkatapos niyan,
punta pa rin siya sa bahay, pinakilala ko kina Mama.
ayun.
Yan.
Iba kasi yung instinct ng mga magulang. Ako naniniwala ako dun.
Ako din.
Di ba?
Oo, they really know.
They know.
They know talaga. Kung isang tingin lang ng parents, yan ang hindi magbabago. Pag may kasama ang anak, alam ng parents kung mabuting tao yan or hindi
Yes.
para sa kanilang anak. So that will never change. Ano naman, Prof, yung effect dito sa ating society? Kasi tingnan mo yung mga babae, nagbabago din like yung expectation natin. Iba na. Mas lalo yung mga bata. Walang expectation at all siguro yung mga yan.
So maraming changes na nangyayari ngayon. Siguro kailangan natin i-weigh alin yung maganda, alin yung hindi. So, isang pagbabago rin, dati yung babae kailangan medyo konting pakipot pa.
Yes!
Hard to get.
Yes.
Hindi agad-agad na sumasagot.
Di ba yan uso?
Ngayon, pwede ngang babae naman ligaw di ba?
Pwede yung babaeng mauna.
Mga pwede. O magparamdam.
Oo.
Siguro yun yung
First move, yung tinatawag. Pero yan ay dito sa ating bansa.
Oo.
Yes.
Si Amiga kasi once lang, no? Parang
My only
boyfriend
experience
lang. Sa
back
Brazil.
home was just my first ever boyfriend. Nasa Brazil.
Nawala
pa ako
namang
noon.
harana to, no? Love letters.
Yeah, ano yan, talagang pumunta sa bahay, kininala niya muna yung tatay ko, tapos talaga nagpaalam siya. Tsaka ano lang yun, na first love ko talaga yan. Hindi ko yan makalimutan. Wow. Yes! Nag-open na. I promise, we're still in touch up to this point, even with the family.
Oh.
His family is in touch with my family. We're friends. Okay naman. Hindi lang talaga nakatuloy yun. Pero for me, yan yung isa sa mga pinaka-nire-respeto kong relasyon. Because nga, may ganong
First,
factor, may
yeah.
family, diba, involved.
Tama.
It's very important for me, Pero yan kami sa Brazil. Ngayon, dito, I don't know. Sa atin.
I think yung mga ganong ritual ng pagpapakilala ay napaka-importante
Diba?
pa rin.
Until now.
Dati, ano pa ba yung mga other forms? Bibigyan ka ng mixtape. Lalagay doon yung mga songs na parang nagpapahiwatig ng kanilang damdamin. Tapos ikaw naman, kinikilig ka, diba?
May mga CDs.
Wala,
Tapos
wala
after
na ako
that,
Hindi niya inabot.
After that,
Inabot
naging
yun.
mix CD na.
Oo, CD.
Oh, tapos ngayon, start a jam. Start a jam na lamang. Halimbawa, may pinapakinggan yung nanliligaw sa'yo. I-invite ka ngayon to listen to the same playlist that he's listening to.
I
It's
didn't
called
know that.
Start a Jam. Di ba? Yun yung mga natutunan ko sa
Ganon?
mga Gen Z kong pamangkin.
Oh, wow.
So, alam nyo
Diba?
na yung gagawin nyo, ha? Start
Pero
with
meron
that.
tayong mga bisita dito na sakto naman.
Yeah.
They're from different parts of the world. Baka we can also ask them how they court people in their country.
Yes.
Kasama natin si Michael. Let's ask Michael. He's from Great Britain. And Michael, we just want you to be part of our conversation here about courtship. How long do you live in where do you actually come from? Like what?
So,
Where
I was
in
born-
Great Britain?
Born and raised in Great Britain, London.
In London.
London.
Okay, and you live there. You're based there.
I'm based here now, but for most of my life, I grew up there.
Okay, and did you ever? Do you have any experience courting a girl there? How did you go about it?
Yeah, I mean, in Great Britain, it's quite laid back, very relaxed. Usually you'll just go on a few dates, maybe go get some food, fine dining. But other than that, it's not too intense. It's just very chill.
Very chill. So, how many dates usually? Like, third date, then you're
You're
You can
girlfriend,
consider yourself boyfriend,
already?
girlfriend?
You're into a relationship?
It depends on how you feel about the person, I guess. There's no, like, set time. But it tends to go pretty fast, I'd say.
Do you write letters? Or like anything like that?
Are you that kind of person?
I mean, me personally, yeah, I like to write poems.
Yeah, that's so nice. You're a dying breed, Michael.
We love that.
And can you just keep talking for the rest of the show? We love your accent.
Nice.
How do you meet girls? Do you get introduced? Do you
Slide them
Into their
online?
DMs.
Do you slide into their DMs? Do you vet them on social media first?
I feel like in the UK, in Great Britain, a lot of it is through in person, like through school or any events.
In person.
But especially with Gen Z, a lot of it is online now as well. Yeah.
Love is online.
Love is online.
Yeah. Thank you,
Thank you,
Michael.
Michael.
Thank you, Michael.
We want to hear one of those poems, by the way.
Please.
Please be ready later.
Okay,
We'll
who
ask you
else can
one.
we ask? Palmer. Palmer is from
Nigeria.
Oh, I bet I know how you court people. You use your saxophone. Do you?
Yeah, thank you very much. As you all know, I'm Palma Emmanuel from Nigeria. So basically, in Nigeria, we have diverse culture. So I would literally speak for myself. And
yeah.
from a personal view, courting is quite simple. It depends on how you feel about the person. So you meet the person, like he said, you could meet the person in school, at the gym, anywhere. Yeah, then you can have a couple of dates, once, twice. You guys could court for about 3 months. If you feel good about the person, man, you could go ahead and
Be
make
in
a proposal.
relationship
Yeah,
together.
go into a relationship. Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Are you that kind of person who give gifts like
Yes.
flowers?
How do you make them feel loved?
Okay, some people love language is quite different. Some people can be surprises.
Yeah.
Some people can be gifts. So it depends on, you need to
You,
understand
what
the
about
person.
you?
For me,
is your-
it's
The way you give.
gifts. Gifts like chocolates,
Where?
cakes, flowers.
No chocolates?
He's not courting you yet.
Ah, okay,
naman.
okay. Sorry.
So,
Bigla akong chocolate.
Jonas!
Hindi ko yung Jonathan yung lumabas.
Yeah.
Yung art depth. Anyway.
So you give chocolates.
Yeah, chocolates, flowers,
love
cakes.
letters.
Yeah, letters. You could send early morning text message. For me, personally, I love sending text early in the morning. So you wake up to text messages, yeah.
Long text messages.
Long text messages.
How about
Since you're a musician, have you ever used it?
I've used it, yeah.
How?
Yeah.
How? Tell us.
So like there was this person I really loved, and I was looking for a way to get her attention. So I used my saxophone.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How are you guys?
Yeah.
Do you bring your saxophone everywhere just in case?
Yeah,
you get an opportunity
sometimes,
to play
yeah,
this?
sometimes, yeah.
Hold on.
how?
Yeah, so I could just play my favorite song for the person.
How did it happen? Like you're in a restaurant.
Yeah, I could just give you a surprise, with flowers, and boom.
Oh, wow. What was the song? Do you remember?
I will always love you.
Wow.
Whitney Houston.
That's direct.
And you
That
got
is
the sweet yes
Did
from
you
that
succeed?
girl.
Of course, nobody's gonna say no to this.
Very good ka dyan.
Mag-play ng instrumento.
Yeah.
Right, Kuya Chris? Diyan ka rin ba sumakses? Diyan
Yes,
ka sumakses.
yes.
Oh,
Thank you, Palmer.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. We have more.
Who else do you
Who
have?
else? Yan.
Yan, half Filipino, half French.
Okay, Yan, ikaw na yan.
Are you based here, Yan? Or...
I just moved to Manila.
Oh, wow. Okay. So, what's it like in France?
So in France, we do like gift giving, taking the girl out for dinner, especially in a beautiful location with scenery
I know.
and then flowers,
I feel like
chocolates.
if you're in Paris, you don't have to do much.
Of course.
Everything's romantic.
You
Have to
just
get out of the
have to
house.
be there.
Yes, you just need coffee and croissant. Diba? Croissant.
What is the most elaborate sort of date that you've ever prepared for a girl?
In Manila or in...
Both.
France.
Let's start with
na
France
lang.
first.
Doon na lang.
So I took her to the Eiffel Tower, but we didn't go inside. We just sat on the park because there's grass, and then we had a picnic.
Oh, you had a picnic at the
Just a
Eiffel
nice
Tower
picnic.
grass. That's romantic.
So beautiful
The
view.
place pa lang is romantic.
What did you eat?
Escargot.
Escargot.
Pati yan, no?
Sa atin, Bohol.
And was it a success?
It was, unfortunately, we're no longer together.
You don't get to see her.
No,
But during the time, it was
it
successful.
was during the time.
Effective.
Effective way of courtship. Okay, thank you,
Alright,
Yan.
nice to know.
Thank
How
you.
about in India? Singa, can we hear from you? I know that
Sing.
I'm not sure.
Singa.
Is it Singa?
Singa.
It's Suryansh Prithvijit Singh, but in short you can call me Singha.
Singa.
Singha.
Short for Singapore, but you're not from there.
It's Indian.
Do you have a choice in who you want to go out with? Because I
Yeah.
know that there are a lot
See,
of
the thing is,
planned
Arranged.
marriages. Yeah.
Arranged.
Arranged.
The thing is, it's not because we cannot choose. We can choose. We can say no if we don't like someone. But the thing is, in India, the marriages are beautiful. So it's not just two people who are getting married. So it's like two whole families
Two
getting
families,
together,
yeah.
right? So they have to know each other. If they don't gel with each other, they're not like comfortable with each other. So that's why it's like families do it. And in my father's case, in my father and mother case, I'll tell you, they didn't even see each other till they are like getting married.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. So everything goes beautiful. You need to trust God, and few people go on dates. Few people trust on their parents. So I've left everything on my parents because.
about you?
Yeah, I've left them. It's on them. Do.
It's for them
See-
to choose. I see.
See, because they will never actually think bad of me, right? So they will choose someone who is gonna go with me.
for you.
They know me a lot more than I know myself, right?
Wow.
So I think they will choose. They will do the better thing.
So you trust them.
You're
I
such a
trust
good boy.
Sobra.
So you're willing to just see the person you're going to marry and be with for the rest of your life just on the day of the wedding?
works.
Wow!
Yeah.
That is awesome. That is a totally different perspective.
Yeah.
Big.
I like. That's interesting.
How about the getting to know stage?
You can have that. You can meet it. Like you can meet them. It's not like you cannot meet them, right? So first hand of choice is my parents. Okay, they got like 20 pictures. They're gonna tell take 10 of them.
Wow.
Then it will be shown to me. Pick one of them. Like in the very I would say plain format. Pick one of them.
Okay.
You have to take one or two, whatever. Then you go, your family goes to their home, or their comes to our home. You guys meet to have a get together. You guys
Go on a date?
probably like a family date, a whole family, both of them like together. They're going
Together.
Yeah,
Having a picnic together.
it's a picnic together. Yeah, it's a family picnic.
That's so interesting.
Well, we wish you well on that, Singa.
Thank you.
And thank you for sharing.
That's so interesting.
Nakakatuwa, di ba,
Totally
bro?
different.
Totally
Oo.
different. Yeah.
Maybe you're part of the royal family, Singa. Singa, are you part of the royal family? Yeah.
Oh,
What?
Are you part of the royal family?
Yeah, so it's like my family comes from Rajasthan, and there's a place. So we used to be the actually the kings of that place. Then we
Wow.
got down to a line, and now because in 1947 everything was like everything was went to democracy. So we given everything. So it's like for me in India, it's like you can meet people how I told you, right? But for
Yeah.
me, it's all different. I cannot even marry out of I would say a royal lineage. So we have to preserve that blood and blue blood. Yeah. So it's all complicated. So that's why I have left everything on my parents.
It's like
Yeah.
respect also.
No wonder
Yeah.
you have no choice.
Yeah.
You have to preserve the royal lineage,
Yeah.
right? And then love will come after.
So you cannot court like any other nationality.
I don't know. Need to talk to my mom.
Sabi ng
Need to
mami
speak to my
Singa,
mom about it.
subukan mo na. Your mom will say, just try.
Bakit niya ba tinatanong na ganyan yung anak ko? Anyway, thank you, Singa.
Thank you, Singa.
May
So
meron pala tayong
interesting.
parte ng royal family dito.
Oo. Kaya, nako, ano na lamang ang conclusion natin dito
I love
sa
the
ating
chikahan.
Diba? Ang ganda na nandito
Marami
ang
tayong
ating mga
natututunan.
bisita from Green Man. Yes. Kaya, Prof, ano ba ang ma-advise natin sa mga kabataan ngayon about the importance of talagang panliligaw? Hindi na lamang yung parang, tayo na,
Slide
let's
in the
go.
DM.
Ganun.
Parang wala na nga eh. Wala nang label.
Ayaw na nga nila ng labels
Diba?
situationship na nga ang tawag.
Ang maganda doon sa napakinggan natin kanina, nakikita natin yung pagkakaiba-iba ng kultura at merong iba't ibang paniniwala, pero halos pare-pareho rin naman yung deeper meanings doon. Tulad ng nabanggit ni Singa, yung importansya ng mga pamilya nagkakasundo. Kasi problematic din yung magkatuluyan kayo, tapos nag-aaway ang mga pamilya ninyo, di ba?
True.
Pero yung sa pararaan din natin ng panliligaw, I think napaka-importante rin yung, yun nga, getting to know yung background ng kabilang panig, tapos yung kanyang pamilya, at ang habol kasi natin, nagkakasundo tayo ng matagalan. Hopefully.
Kaya naman, message mo na lang, Prof, sa ating mga Gen Z, Gen Alpha.
Lahat sila.
Yung message ko, wag basta-basta maging mapusok. Wag basta yung bugso ng damdamin, mag-imbestiga rin, alamin din yung background ng inyong napupusuan, tapos makipagkilala sa mas malalim na paraan. Hindi lang yung mga superficial na anong gusto mong pagkain, anong gusto mong panoorin. Importante rito yung ugali, nagkakasundo kayo. So, yun ang maipapayo ko na dapat ipagpatuloy. Kasi gusto natin na hindi yung ngayon lang, pero
Correct.
sana mas matagal pang pagsasama.
Thank you so much, Prof.
Thank you, Prof, for sharing your insights with us today.
Thank you.
Ang dami nating natutunan, lalo din sa mga boys na nandito ngayon, ang great men of the universe.
Thank
At
you.
Siyempre, Prof, ano yung mga social media accounts nyo para i-follow ka namin?
Pwede nyo akong subaybayan sa aking YouTube account, NT Castro 87, at meron din ako sa Facebook page at saka sa Instagram.
Thank you, Prof, as always. At maraming salamat din sa great man na winners natin na nagbigay din, nag-share din ng kanyang mga stories. Mga kadang panliligaw po ay ang first step patungo sa pakikipagrelasyon. Sa panahong ito ninyo, makikilala ang ugali ng isang taong posibleng makasama ninyo habang buhay. Kaya naman, importanteng huwag madaliin ang proseso ng ligawan. Take it sweet and slow at higit sa lahat, ipag-pray po natin yan. Magbabalik pa po ang Kada Umaga. Diyan lang po kayo.